Looking for a pruning shears? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 pruning shears available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect pruning shears for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Felco F2 Classic Manual Pruning Shear. This model from Felco is an anvil pruning shear with a sap groove that keep the blade clean. The scissor-like shear pruner has got blades made of high-quality hardened steel. The material used in the making of this model is of highest grade to ensure that the pruner performs well. Also, the blade will stay clear from rusting if you maintain it well. The knife features strong blades with a wire-cutting notch to ensure utmost performance. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Fiskars All-Steel Bypass Pruning Shear. Fiskars is one of the leading brands to manufacture garden pruning shear. This model is highly affordable and available in anvil type to provide seamless cutting. The blade is made of fully hardened precision ground steel that is high in quality and performs well. The steel is known to stay away from corrosion for a long time. Therefore, the blade stays sharp and does not lose the edge, which makes it ideal for cutting stem and lighter branches. At number 3 on our list, we have the Vivison Gardening Hand Pruning Shear. This model from Vivison is a great product that is equipped with ultra-sharp blades made of stainless steel. One thing that you need to know about this material is that it doesn't corrode or rust at all. The blade is capable of tackling different pruning tasks such as trimming, deadheading, shaping needs of the flowers, etc. So, if you are looking for rose pruning shear, then you search ends here. With the quality material, the blade will maintain its edge for the longest period and perform better. However, maintenance of the blades is absolutely necessary. At number 4 on our list, we have the Pexio Premium Titanium Pruning Shear. If you wish to buy a pruner that can withstand environmental abuse and does not corrode or rust, then this model is highly recommended for you. This model from Pexio has got premium titanium steel blades with ultra-fine polishing that keep the knife from corroding ever. The titanium blades are lightweight and sharp to perform very well. The sap groove design on the blades prevent the cutting items to stick to the pruner. At number 5 on our list, we have the Kim SK5 Steel Blade Pruning Shear. This one is our absolute favorite for the amazing features. The blade given to this model is made of SK5 high carbon steel, which is the sharpest blade to give effortless cut. The blade is abrasion resistant and coated with non-stick material so that the pruner can completely reject corroding and rusting. Also, with the coating, the cutting resistance is reduced. The diameter of this pruner is 0.48 inch, which makes it ideal for cutting light branches and stems. Also, this one is a great product for home usage. At number 6 on our list, we have the Gardenite Ultra Snip Pruning Shear. His model from Gardenite is equipped with stainless steel which completely rejects abrasion, corrosion, rusting, etc. The extra sharp blades help in seamless cutting of the stem and branches. Due to the ultra-performing blade, you can expect precision cutting, deadheading, pruning flowers, pruning small plants, shrubs and other light trimming. The handle is made of chromed zinc with rubber grip which offer utmost comfort. The 6.7 inches handle provide comfortable holding, even to the larger hands. At number 7 on our list, we have the Gardenite Power Drive Hand Pruning Shear. This model from Gardenite is relatively expensive but equipped with a lot of great features. This one is made with the excellence of the brand and defines the legacy of Gardenite in a perfect way. The blades used in this model are heat-treated and made with hardened carbon steel to ensure that they work splendidly well. These will require less sharpening. Due to the fact that the blades are coated with non-stick Teflon, these will completely resist sap and any other sticky material. At number 8 on our list, we have the Gonic Professional Premium GPPS 1003 Bypass Pruning Shear. Gonic pruner is available in anvil style that is ideal for precise cutting of the wood and stems. This one has got titanium steel blades and stays away from rusting and corrosion. However, the blades will require some maintaining, but the ultra-fine polishing will help in boosting the durability of the knife. The sap grooves on the blade prevent anything to stick to the pruning shears. Also, with these grooves, the knife will stay clean and hygienic always. At number 9 on our list, we have the Cronova Professional Pruning Shear. This model from Cronova is one of the best models in our list. The blades are made of SK5 steel, which is the finest form of high-carbon steel to give effortless cutting. The blade is very sharp and polished with Teflon to prevent the cut items from sticking. The blade completely resists rusting, staining, and corrosion. The diameter of the knife allows it to tackle larger stems. The ergonomically designed handle is quite strong, lightweight, and extremely comfortable. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Casfi SK5 Bypass Pruning Shear. Last, we have this amazing model from Casfi in our list. This one is also made of highest grade SK5 steel, which ensures durability and utmost performance of the pruner. This bypass pruner has strong blades that are lethal enough to cut the most rigid stems effortlessly. Due to the strength of the blade, you need to put 50% less efforts while cutting. The blade will not corrode or rust if you maintain it well. Due to the PTFE coating and self-cleaning groove, you can expect the pruner to stay clean. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.